Hi, this is Rich Sparks, and let me tell you about 4759 Sunderland Drive, located in northern Sterling Heights, Michigan, north of 19 Mile, east of Ryan. Wonderful area, Utica schools. If you are looking for first floor living, this is the place for you. Now, one of the things you want to notice is the tall ceilings. This property has cathedral and 10-foot ceilings throughout, really giving it a lot of volume. You have 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a huge basement waiting for your special touches. You could double the living square footage here. Nice open floor plan. With a custom stamped paver system. Now, if you're wanting to watch the snow fall down, you can enjoy this fireplace. Nice, warm, cozy fireplace. Some of the cool features of this house, you do have some newer stainless steel appliances. Also, the walls inside the property are all insulated. It's going to make for a very quiet living situation. So if you have a kid playing a video game in another room, now this is one of my favorite features, is the master suite. Large, you have this pan ceiling with this custom tin up top, which is very, very cool. You have the shower with the soaking tub. Large walk-in closet. All the rooms are really nice size. You do have a first floor laundry here. Everything is on that first floor. And look at this basement. You could double the living space, making this property 3,500 square feet of living space. You have newer HVAC system, mechanicals, newer hot water tank. The roof is newer, everything, and there's that paver patio. I was talking about that stamped paver patio. Beautiful. Don't miss out, guys. It's rare to find a beautiful ranch-style home in northern Sterling Heights with Utica school system, move-in ready. Don't miss out. Call today for your private showing. Thanks for watching.